the conversations began probably about 18 months ago with Sizewell Creative and just looking at ways that we can inspire young people who are studying the arts at college but don't quite have the opportunity to see how much breadth there is in all the possibilities of creative careers, and you don't always get a chance to experience everything. We just felt there was a real need to kind of collaborate in the town and work with the college and work with Sizewell Creative to see if we could make something happen that could really inspire young people.
What we have found as practitioners is there's no real traditional way into the arts, especially not at the moment. So it's to equip the young people with some skills, but also get them excited to take different kinds of initiatives. One of the things I'm really hoping about today is the students won't think that having a career in the arts is about a certain level of skills or qualifications or a particular path you have to get. And actually being really inspired by something that might be a bit niche but could be very transferable, being excited, taking the initiative to just keep going with a bit of resilience.
My name is Mark Curtis. I'm here today doing theatre clown for the students. It's about, being disciplined in that space and trusting yourself. We put a lid on our creativity by accident, and it's about trying to remove that lid to be your best creative self. Two very different groups. So one at the very beginning of their journey at college, and one older group who are sort of beginning to step out into the world in their thinking. And as you would expect, they did everything perfectly, as students do.
What really helped was Mark, who was doing our session. He talked about how us as actors, we tend to look at the wall a lot instead of the audience. What we did was we did like a little practice session performing in front of everyone and keeping that eye contact. And it was a difference because people felt more engaged, they laughed, there were reactions, and yeah, it helped me a lot as a performer, and I'll definitely take it with me.
I think I've learned more than I expected from today. I always think of it as an actor. Right now, I'm thinking of it as an artist. I start to look at it like, why have I never thought of it this way? This has helped my confidence because on stage, many things will happen. It's gonna be mistakes. You can either come out of that or do something unexpected, because that's what performing art is. It's an art. It's meant to be very unexpected. You don't see it coming.
Today I've been teaching a green screen workshop, so it was a way to introduce the students to work in an environment where the green screen is used to create dance performances. I really enjoyed the excitement that they brought into the room, the spontaneity that they showed and demonstrated, but also the intention and the commitment that they put in. They accepted the challenges and they just went for it. And I think that kind of like openness to accept the challenge and navigate the difficulties is something that is really important to have as a skill in today's industry.
My favourite one was the green screening workshop because it allowed me to take a lot of creative directorship in directing and producing something that I got to see from the start to the very end and seeing what the creative process of that is. I think it really opened up my mind a lot to different opportunities that are provided based on different skill sets and how there's so many various and variety of skills that I may not have known before and may not have even thought about exploring in my own skill set.
My name is DJ Johnson and I'm a stunt coordinator and fight choreographer. So today we've been looking at some fundamental techniques, so some things that a lot of performers can expect to find when going on set or on a stage show, but also just giving them an insight into what that physical skill set and that world can be like. The students have been so good. They've come in with a really excited, eager to learn energy. A lot of schools and a lot of learning institutes and education systems, they don't often encourage or invite industry professionals to come in. So I think having a nice balance between academic professionals and industry professionals coming in and working together, it's priceless.
I think a lot of people go into studying the arts because it's something they love, it's something they feel passionate about, but whether they can really see a career in it, it's not always clear. You don't always feel confident about that choice, and so I hope after today we've planted a little bit more confidence and a little bit more of yeah, I can do this, I can see a way into this, and so hopefully they'll see that it's an exciting career path and that there's a possibility for them within it, whatever their strengths are. And so I hope they go away from today feeling that.
I think today's been absolutely fantastic, and we will certainly put it in the budget for next year with a little bit of a change of practitioners, but certainly still working with Suffolk New College, New Wolsey and here at DanceEast.